Hi, my little darlings. It's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Actually, my name Darla means little darling. All right, so we have some crochet to talk about today, a lot of it. All right. So hubby has a work injury, so yeah, another one, yeah. So he is off work for a few days, but he's gone to an eye appointment today, so I've taken the opportunity to make a video. The other ones you saw this week were pre-recorded on Monday when he was actually at work. So he's very noisy person, so it's hard to record when he's around. All right. Let's see. All right. So I was working on this in a sit and stitch kind of video the other day, and actually it's going to be kind of you'll have two choices of things to make with this tutorial that I'm hopefully going to have out soon. I was hoping this week, but I'm not sure because couldn't really record. But you know, that's okay. I'm all tangled up here. So it's this, and I know it looks like a poncho maybe, and maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But this is the tea time yarn that I'm using. I'm on the second ball. It's by Hobie. Hobie Tea Time, and this colorway is 06. It's considered a 4-weight. I think it's a little thinner than a 4. 100% acrylic. There are, where is it? 634 yards, 580 meters. So I'm on the second ball, and I won't even need all this. I won't need very much from the second ball. So yeah, I am working on it. I am. All right, just so you know, and I'm using a 5.5 millimeter hook, which I think is what they suggest. It is. All right, so just to let you know, it's still in the works. Okay, but when I couldn't record, what did I do? I crocheted other things. Okay. I do have a tutorial up for this one. And anything I talk about, I'll link below and like, I don't know, up here. I think it's up here. So this was a little short cardi, kind of just something to throw over a dress or a spaghetti strap tank top or something like that, you know. And we will get summer here in central Canada eventually. We had a little bit of snow today. Yeah, April's a weird month. But anyway, so somebody had asked about making it longer. I haven't made it longer. I made another one. Actually, let me show you like this was on the thumbnail of that tutorial video, but I actually did the tutorial using this, what was this, a skinny cake? A 3-weight? Gosh, I can't remember. But I did tell you in the video. So I have not made one longer. So I don't know how it's going to work, but like as you work this, it grows wider and it grows longer as you work it. So you could keep on making rows and make it longer and then put a drawstring at, you know, at the bottom wherever you stop it at. You could try that. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Yeah. So anyway, let's go on. I have a couple more things to show you. All right, so this design I just showed you, I decided to make another one. And this other one is in like an off-white, pinks and blues kind of. And it's like speckled. It's speckled. So I thought, you know, I want to make one in not exactly like totally white, but with some color in it. And I'm attached here, so anyway, so this is another one of the same little crop things. And so yeah, there's the colors in the yarn. I thought, you know, it's going to go with pinks and blues. There's even some purples in here. So it'll go with many different colors, I think. And of course, black. You know, everything goes with black. And the yarn I'm using is the Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Dots. And this is a 3-weight, 100% anti-pilling. Yeah. Yeah. 250 meters, 273 yards in one ball, and I'm on the 3rd ball. And I won't need very much more of it because I'm almost done. And this color is Wildflower. Yes, Wildflower. See those dots in there? And I believe this came in a mystery bag from Angela at My Precious Yarnery. So I'll link her below. I did have an opening of that mystery bag from her. She sells them once in a while, you know, just once in a while, not all the time. But yeah, so this is the back of it with that design there, and then the designer on the show, like it's on the shoulders as well, and then it's on the front as well, on both sides of the front, going down the opening. Yeah, so I really love the drape of this yarn. It's got a nice drape. All right, so I'm working on that, and I'll show you that when that's complete. All right, and I'm using, what kind of hook am I using? Oh no, what did I do? 5mm. I believe it was a 5mm. I got things falling off my desk. I'm so sorry. Yes, I believe it was a 5mm I'm using. Oh, good grief. All right. So what else have I been working on? Well, another design. I've started another design. Yes, I have. But this one, of course, I'm going to finish off, hopefully next week. I think he has an appointment tomorrow, too. Maybe I can finish it off tomorrow. But anyway, so I started another design because I just couldn't sit still and, you know. So this one, okay, this one I'm making with, and there will be a tutorial on this one as well. This is the Ice Cream Smoothie Anti-Pilling Yarn. I don't even know if they have this anymore. This is by who? Lion Brand. Yes, Lion Brand. And it's a, I think it's a 3-weight. That color is lime. Where is it? Yeah, light 3-weight. 219 yards, 200 meters, and I'm on the 2nd ball. So, ooh, is that like blowing out? On the 2nd ball anyway. And it's got yellows and greens and whites, and you know, of course you can use whatever you want. Whatever size yarn, whatever weight, whatever fiber is what I'm trying to say. Fiber and whatever weight. But this is it. It's going to be, let's see. Let me see. That's the front. It's going to be a wrap, you know, just like a spring wrap, or you can wear it in the summer. So yeah, it's just going to be a little wrap, or you can make it as just a scarf. Like you could, you know, stop right here and have it as like a summer scarf, kind of a decorative fashion scarf or something, you know. Anyway, anyway, I gotta stop saying anyway. This pattern, or this stitch, is, okay, I'm gonna block this, okay. Okay, it looks like this. But that's not the way the original stitch looks, because I changed it up. Yeah. and I am going to block it. So hopefully it's going to look like that when it's blocked. There's some shell stitches in here. Yeah, I figured these colors would be great for spring. I think it's just gorgeous. Yeah. So, I'm using a 5mm with this one. Yes, I am. It's a 5mm. I'm going to have to write that on there again and put clear nail polish over it to make it stay, because they do rub off. These hooks I got, I think 3 sets now. I got them from, in case you're wondering, sometimes people ask me where I got these hooks from. It's a set of hooks. I think the biggest size is a 6mm maybe. I think so. But you can get them at AliExpress. You can get them at Temu. Boy, oh boy, I got a set from somewhere else too. Oh, Amazon. Amazon was the most expensive, and it came in a case. The other ones didn't come in a case, but that's perfectly fine. I think, what did I pay? $10 maybe for the set? I'll look it up on Temu and I'll put the price on the screen. But anyway, I love these. They're longer. They're longer. So because I am a knife holder, they don't press against my hand here, which makes my hand ache. With those short ones that go right there. Ow. Yeah. So these are longer, and I just love them. And they have, it's a little bit of a rubbery handle, except these parts here are more plasticky, but it's very comfortable. And I actually gave away a set. I think I've given away 2 sets in yarn giveaways. So yeah, I love these hooks. All right, I think that's it. That's it. So thank you for joining me today for this crochet yarn video. Now I'm going to edit this video, and I guess I'm going to have something to eat. Do you ever forget to eat because you're so busy? I have. But I'm going to eat. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, I'm going to have something, maybe a sandwich for lunch. All right. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and please be sure to like the video. Likes help us so much. Comments help us so much, and watching the video all the way through helps us. It's just your way, I guess, of giving back. It doesn't cost you a penny. Isn't that awesome? And we love when you do that, when you support our channels. It means so much, so much. We appreciate you. I appreciate you. I'll see you all again as soon as I can. All right, thanks guys. Bye.